Morning everyone, today is Wednesday and we've had a kind of a bullish week so far on NQ. We've looked Monday on the 4 hours here at this range where we were saying that the price came down into discount of the range, reacted from the bullish order flow here to the manipulation block, to this inversion. We had this big old candle, so price came back down to test 50% of this week block and then displaced up. So now we are 3 days into the week in premium of this range, and it's early in the morning. It's 1:15, right? New York time. So I'm looking at the 4 hours here. I'm thinking how would I approach this day. So for one, we have this big old fair value gap that was formed here on Nasdaq. Let me draw it out. Right. So we do have this big old fair value gap. We have the breaker block. We have change in the state of delivery here. Right. So on the other hand, we are in premium of this range and retesting this inverted fair value gap here. This big old inverted fair value gap. So price came into it, failed to close above it, and now it's meandering inside of it. Overall, higher time frame bias. The trend is bullish. Let's look at immediate price action to see what we might have as an opportunity inside the trading day. If I just remove this, I see I have this doji candle here. Let's take the high. Let's take the low. And let's go to the 15-minute chart. So inside the 15-minute chart, we have this range we just outlined. And we have basically a range that we need to sit out and wait out. So one idea would be for price to come down, to come up into taking Asia high, coming back up to previous day high, into this inverted fair value gap from historical price there, and then maybe come back down to the low of this range. That's one idea. Or even for price to come just above the Asia high here. Right, with this high remaining as a protected high, with the equal highs here being used as liquidity for a move down, or we could wait for this range to play out into this 1 hour fair value gap, bullish fair value gap, and see what happens here at this low for a move higher, because we are in a bullish trend. As I said, we could align ourselves with the overall higher time frame and wait for a bullish move. Of course, here at the lows we would need to wait, because it might just be that price comes down and displaces this fair value gap, right? Comes back up, displaces down, displaces this fair value gap, 1 hour fair value gap, comes back down here into this breaker, and we could see an entire move all the way down to previous day low. But that's just a scenario. What I'm trying to say is that for the short term, what we would need to do is to wait out this range and align ourselves with the moves of the market, big market participants. We need to see where they take liquidity, how they manipulate or displace through that liquidity, and align ourselves with the high probability move, which at this moment is kind of hard to say which direction that is. Of course, as I said, higher time frame bullish, so let's wait and see. And that's it for now. Take care in the market and don't do stupid stuff. One more thing. Today, June 4th, we do have ADP non-farm employment change and ISM services PMI. So 8:15, and then there is news. Price might just stay in the range until then. So let's see. Take care.